This is why it's good for an installer to also be a repair guy. And it's for this very reason. Let me show you something. So we got this head here, we're digging up and they're actually gonna move it over, but I want you to notice a couple things. One, look at this pole. It basically was spraying right into this pole. It's eroding the pole and everything, but missing all of this over here. So it was too far back originally. The other thing is, and it's gonna be hard to see in this video, but look at the angle of this riser and where that head is. Well, the elbow down there at the bottom is at a weird angle, so it's not straight up and down. That's another problem. And it's too close to this curb, which is why that head was pushed out to get our 4 inches. You don't want it to be this close, riser bent, head behind the pole, several things that are not good. So let me show you what we're gonna do to fix it. All right, what we're gonna do, we've got a simple pre-fab swing joint here, and it comes like this. It's got this extra piece right here. We're gonna take another one of these pieces like this and add it to this side. So now this is gonna go straight up, over. It's gonna be sitting in there about like that. Now you could, came prefab, we just added the one piece. You could do the same thing with a couple fittings and some swing pipe like this. It's 1/2 inch, funny pipe some guys call it. Let's fix this head right this time. So the first thing is, take this old bent head riser and nasty head out of here. And I'm gonna screw this down straight like this first. I have to dig that out a little bit more. Okay, then we're putting a new head. This is a Rainbird 1804 with a Rainbird nozzle. It's a He-Van number 10. Stick it on here. I'm gonna swing this around like that. So it's gonna now sit right there like that. Notice the head now is going to be at a 90, not going to spray the pole, and then it's good distance away from the curb. That way the guys don't edge it off with the edger. Now this thing is put back how it really should have been installed in the first place. So when you're doing a repair, I want you to pay attention to maybe what somebody else's mistake was, or maybe it was your own. Take a mental note, that way when you go to install, you start installing these things to avoid these types of things. And it works both ways. Doing repairs helps you be a better installer. Being an installer helps you do better repairs because you can eliminate things. I'm Kelly Staggs, you're watching American Irrigator.